Hey everyone, for drawing a vortex mandala, draw a circle of radius 3.2 cm. You can take any other radius also. Keep drawing circles of the same radius as shown in the video. The very first circle which I have drawn using a pencil will act as a guideline for all the circles we'll be drawing in the future. As you can see, the new circle intersects the very first circle at some point. This will be the center of the new circle. Now you have a seed of life pattern. We'll continue drawing more circles to have a vortex mandala. For the next round of circles, we'll mark a point between these petals. You can mark any point between any two petals. For the sake of understanding, I have used different color pens for different round of circles. So this round I am taking a pink color pen. Please note all circles are of the same radius. In this case it is 3.2 cm. Keep on drawing the circles in the similar fashion as you have done already. Again, we'll mark a point between two petals. You can also draw a vortex mandala using a mandala grid. Please tell me in the comment section if you want to know how to do that. Now for the next round of circles, I am using a black pigment pen. Please note I am pointing the center of the next circle with my finger. Again, for the next round of circles, mark a point between the petals. Now you have a beautiful vortex mandala. If you find value in my content and for more such videos, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.